Hey guys, my name's Chris. I'm just doing a video here. I'm using this piece right here to push the caliper back. You can see it's sticking out a little bit. I'm just changing the back brakes, they're disc brakes. So this piece right here, it's from Autozone. This piece right here, you just flip it over. You select a ring. There's a bunch of different ones depending on what size the piston is. Set it on here. Okay, it's magnetic, so it's not going to move. And then just fit this piece. This fits in right in here. And then this piece goes inside there. And then you just push it apart. So anyways, I got this from AutoZone. This is for 2005 Honda Accord rear brake pad change. Hope this helps all you guys.